Earlier MLAs and now MPs demand for the postponement of JEE mains and NEET exams. Will JEE mains and NEET be postponed again? Amid a rising furor over conducting JEE and NEET exams amid COVID-19 concerns, BJP MP Mr. Subramaniam Swamy on Friday sought the entrances to be held after Diwali. Swamy said he has conveyed concerns of students to Education Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Since the number of new COVID-19 cases have soared to 70,000 per day, it is in the balance of public interest that Education Ministry approaches the CJI court at his home and seek an adjournment to November after Deepavali, Swamy said in his tweet. In his another tweet, he said, I have already tweeted as well as conveyed to Education Minister that JEE and NEET exam should be after Deepavali. Minister is holding an emergency meeting, let us see. I was asked to intervene by you all at a very late stage after Supreme Court had delivered its judgment. The Supreme Court had on Monday dismissed a plea seeking postponement of JEE and NEET 2020 undergraduate examinations, which are scheduled to be conducted in September, amid a spurt in the number of COVID-19 cases, saying the precious year of the students cannot be wasted and life has to go on. Many state governments, MLAs and now MPs demand for the postponement of JEE and NEET exams. But the biggest question arises in the minds of many people are why Education Ministry want to conduct exams by putting the students' life in danger. We request the government to please postpone the exams and save the life of the students. As a students, what are your point of view in this matter? Please share with us in comment section below. And for more news and updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.